How to download Warzone 3 on PC and laptop. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can download Warzone 3 on your PC and laptop in the easiest way. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to either the Call of Duty website or you're going to turn on Steam. Now once you're over here, first of all, obviously first and foremost you're going to want to purchase Modern Warfare 3 because without purchasing MW3 you will not be able to play Warzone 3. So you can either purchase that, or if you want to simply go ahead and download Warzone 3 only for free, for that you're going to want to go through either battle.net or Steam. Okay, Warzone 3 on the other hand is totally free. So if you want to go ahead and get that without the Modern Warfare 3 bundle, I would suggest downloading it through Steam. So the Steam downloading is relatively much better. Most people go with Steam. You can also go with battle.net. Battle.net is a good network connection that runs through the Call of Duty sectioning. So you can simply go ahead and download battle.net. As you can see, you can simply install its setup. And after installing its setup, you are going to open up the battle.net servers. And once you open up the servers, that should run the Warzone 3 totally for free. But if you don't want to go with all of that hassle, what you can do is just come to your Steam. In your Steam, you're simply go ahead and write Call of Duty Warzone, and it's going to give you Call of Duty Warzone over here for free. So what you're going to do from here is you're simply going to come here and download this. Now this is going to be the latest Warzone. Okay, it's going to be the Warzone 3 because they keep on updating, because obviously right now Warzone is a beta version. So it keeps on updating, so don't worry, this is going to be the proper Warzone 3 franchise. So just go ahead and download it from here totally for free and you're good to go. But again, the battle.net area is an option. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.